Ooh, this is nice. This is a really, really good brand. Looks like Gucci, don't it? Ooh. All right, guys, this is the unit right here. Let's check it out. My bad, wrong unit, y'all. It's not this one. It's actually this one. I'm tripping. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, so which one are we gonna do first? I'm gonna start on the left side. So it looks like we got some little girl clothes in here. All right, let's check this out. Got some Levi's right here. Levi's. Ooh, this is nice. Oh shoot. This is a golden. Wow, this is super dope. Golden microphone. I'm definitely gonna check out the comps on this. Got some jewelry right here. Looks like some costume jewelry. No silver or diamonds. Got a little case. Let's see if anything's in the case. Come on, man. Nothing's in the case like that. You know what, y'all? I'm tripping. I ain't even have my gloves. I be getting too excited, man. I gotta start remembering to put on my gloves. Y'all gotta remind me to put on my gloves, for real. All right, let's get these gloves on. Let's get them on, let's get them on, let's get them on. All right, they're on. All right, let's go through. Oh, what is this, a tablet or something? Element, I don't know what this is. Put that to the side though. All right, we got a bag right here. Let's check the bag out. What we got right here. NASA. Ooh. We got a ThinkPad. Oh, nice. What is this, Polo? Nah, it's not Polo, some off-brand. Like a vintage shirt? Nah, it's not vintage. Little print on. Y'all, again, I know I didn't probably say it, but I only paid $100 for this unit. So hopefully it can bring us some money. Oh, what is this? Oh, Rock Revival. Dope. Rock Revival. Y'all, if y'all never heard of this brand before, this is a really, really good brand to sell. So yeah, just closing this one. All right, we got this bin right here. Looks like this is just games, y'all. Just games, movies. Yep. So we're gonna put that to the side right here. All right, let's check this one out. Let's put the top on it. Let's check this out. We got some Arizona jeans. Republic Record. Oh, these look nice right here. What are these? Oh, okay. Peaceable. What is this? What is this? What is this? Regal wear. So more clothes. It don't look like anything is name brand over here. I'm gonna put that on top of this. Got a nice little painting right here. Got a pillow. Let's check this box out. We're gonna put that on top of this one. Let's see what's in it. Just some pictures. I got some gift card. Oh, nothing's in it. Nothing's in this one. Let's check out the gift cards, y'all. Ooh, oh, nah, it's not a gift card. Sometimes people leave gift cards inside of the cards. I don't know why, but sometimes they do. Always check the cards. Nothing's in this one. Uh-oh. Oh, I thought I felt something. But it's just paper. So yeah, nothing's in the cards. Got a Diamond & Co. company bag. Hopefully the diamonds are in here. Oh, this is a Louis Vuitton box. Nice. We need the Louis Vuittons to be in here though. What is this? What in the world? Champs. Copper Hive. Never heard of that brand before. So on this side, just more clothes. Yeah, this is the other side to the clothes. So yeah, nothing's in this box right here. Let's check out this bag. Looks like clothes is in here. Yep, some more clothes. Levi's. Yep, more Levi's. I'm gonna put this box down so we can check out another box. Y'all, what in the world is this? We're gonna check that out a little bit later. But let's go ahead and get to over here. These are just some dancer. Look at this. She must have been a dancer or something, huh? Okay. All right. Put that over here. Got a filthy pillow. Filthy. Got a coat. What kind of coat is this? Okay. Ugh, what is this on the coat? Ugh, man, come on. People be nasty. That's why y'all always say I need to wear my gloves, right? Yep, that's exactly why. Ooh, check these out. Got some Jordans right here, y'all. But these Jordans are actually fake. They're not real. It's that's very heartbreaking. Massimo. Okay, got some Fila. I don't know where the other shoe is at. All right, let's check in here, see what's up in this mug. Nothing special in here. Yep, nothing special. Here's the other stripper heel. Let's see what's in here. All right, what is this? Nickelodeon. Oh, it's a little bike. Okay. Jeremiah might actually like this if it's in there. Now let's check these pants out. DNA. Ooh, got some Jordan 4s right here. These are actually real, but these are like super beat. Like super beat. As you can see, it's peeling right here. So yeah, and it's repainted. They did a horrible job with it. Horrible. Got a Braves jersey that's literally stained all over. Hayward. Let's pull this out. Got some Reeboks. Some molded Air Max. Ew, man, look at this. Mold is all over it. What the heck? This is crazy. So I'm gonna have to go through all this stuff when I get to the house because this looks like, oh shoot, hold up. Got a tablet. This is a DeKalb County School District tablet. I don't get it. It's like people be taken from the school, man, I tell you. All right, got a little thing right here. Okay, what is this? Billboard. Oh, just a little charger. All right, nothing special in this one. We need them Louis Vuittons to be in here. Oh, got a purse. Looks like Gucci, don't it? But is it Gucci? No, it's Fuji. Super fake. So it looks like she has a lot of fake stuff up in here. All right, let's check this one out. Okay, these are, I see another mic. This mic is nothing right here though. I know it doesn't go for anything. It's like the off-brand Ion. Okay, it looks like just DVDs in here. Trying to see if there's any game systems, but I don't see any game systems. All right, what we got back here? Hamilton Beach. Okay, it looks brand new. Smoothie blender. All right, got some dunks. Got some dunks right here. Okay, these probably worth like $30, $40. All right, what we got in this bin right here? Let's check it out. What is this? DDS. Yeah, I know that's nothing. All right, okay. We got some Timbs. So they're like, have a little cut right here. And no, I cannot restore this right here, guys. I can't do that. Yeah, just other trash. All right, this unit got to come through, man. It got to come through. Well, I got another DeKalb County School District laptop. Okay. Somebody was stealing from the school system. Got a purse down here. Nothing's in the purse though. All right, we're gonna check this one out in a little bit. Let me see. Ooh, I think something's in it too. All right, let's check out this bag. Ew, man, what the heck? What is this? Ew, man, this is just dirty, nasty, stinky stuff. Oh, that stinks. Got some headphones. Some more Beats, but these are definitely Beat. So this unit was a bus. This unit sucks. But we have a TV. It's an ONN TV. ONN. So it doesn't go for much, but oh yeah, let's check this out. Let's go ahead and check this out. Let's check it out. And nothing's in it but a penny. What the heck? Hey guys, so I'm back in the house, and as I'm looking through a pair of pants, look what I found right here. This is crazy. Look, I found 3 gift cards. This is crazy right here. But I don't know if anything's on it. Like, it looks like it's used, like they took it off. I didn't even know Waffle House have gift cards. Like, it's crazy, but let's go ahead and see if anything's on it. All right, let's go ahead and call this number.
Welcome to the Waffle House gift card hotline. Para oír instrucciones en español, oprima el 2. To receive the balance of your gift card, press 1. To receive your gift card, please enter the 16-digit card number followed by the pound sign.
I'm gonna do this one first.
8293. If this is correct, press 1. If this is incorrect, press 1. Please wait while we process your request.
Come on, man.
The balance remaining on your card is $10.
Oh!
The remaining balance is $10.
$10.
Return to the main
All right, let's do this one. Let's do this one.
0852. If this is correct, press 1. If this is please wait while we process your request. The balance remaining on your card is 10.
Oh!
The remaining balance is
Let's go, baby. Now I'm gonna have to do this one right here, guys. This let's say Olive Garden. It looked like it's used though. I got stuff all on it. But yeah, let me call this number and see. All right, let's call this number. Oh, that keypad speaker.
Garden gift card hotline. To further process your call,
y'all, this would be crazy if something is on this card.
The 3-digit code you will hear next. Your code is 163.
What?
Please enter the code now. To receive the balance of your U.S. gift card, press 1. To receive the balance of your Canada gift card,
Yeah, this would be crazy if it was like
$1,000
$1,000 on here.
Please enter the gift card number.
All right, the gift card number. Let's do it. 88540 622. Followed by the pound sign.
The correct number of digits were not received.
Oh.
Please remove the gift card from any outer packaging to locate the gift card number.
Oh, I'm tripping. It's down here, y'all. Look, the card number's down here, not right here. Let's try it again, guys. 1069 pound.
Please wait while we process your request.
Let's go. Let's go.
The balance remaining on your card is $50.
Oh! Let's go! No, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh. Let's go, baby. That's $50, $60, $70. right here, baby, and gift cards. This is crazy right here. This is crazy. Man, you know what? You just never know what you can find in storage units. You never know, man. Like, I thought this storage unit like was trash. Majority of it was trash, but these gift cards right here, guys, like saved the day. So, whew, this was awesome right here, man. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe, because we actually have some more storage unit videos coming to you guys, and we're gonna catch you in the next one. Peace.